Hello everyone! The market is now starting to look beyond semiconductors and treat cooling companies as the next layer of AI beneficiaries. But that raises an important question. Is Madison Air a real AI beneficiary or just a regular HVAC company with an AI label? That is the key question in this video. Madison Air drew major attention in its US IPO, and the stock jumped strongly on its first trading day. That suggests the market sees it not just as basic HVAC, but as an infrastructure play with data center cooling exposure. But calling it an AI company from the start would be misleading. Madison Air was built by acquisitions across HVAC, ventilation, air quality, and industrial airflow. In other words, it was not created from the beginning as a pure AI play. At first glance, you might think, isn't this just a regular HVAC company? But there are reasons the market looked at it differently. The company has a data center cooling portfolio, including air, liquid, and hybrid cooling, with visible brands and product lines. So this is not merely a company with no AI tie being dressed up with an AI story. But it is still hard to call Madison Air a pure AI cooling company, because it operates a broader industrial platform with residential, commercial, and industrial HVAC inside. The most accurate description, not a fake AI company, but too early to call it a pure AI cooling company. The market is focusing on its data center cooling exposure, and that matters. As power density rises inside AI servers, cooling becomes a critical variable. Beneficiaries may extend into thermal management and cooling infrastructure. So attention on Madison Air makes sense. But long-term investors should be cautious. The cooling market already has established HVAC leaders. Exposure to AI cooling and long-term competitive strength are not the same. Investors must watch engineering capability, manufacturing base, customer relationships, and how much data center-related business actually grows. This is not a stock you can summarize with a single line. Track two things. First, how quickly data center cooling exposure grows in revenue and earnings. Second, whether today's AI premium holds once you factor in business mix and competition. The real question is whether the AI cooling story is large enough to reshape how the entire company is valued. Takeaway: Madison Air is not just a regular HVAC name with no AI link, but it's too early to treat it as a pure AI cooling company. For now, the market is assigning a premium to data center cooling exposure before it defines the whole business. After this video, watch how much data center business grows in real financial results, and whether that premium holds against established HVAC competitors. Simplest version: Madison Air is neither regular HVAC with AI attached, nor pure AI cooling. The market is starting to price the space in between.